It's loading.
Hey everyone, Lisa and Tara here. How is everybody doing? So, a full disclosure.
Yeah.
We debuted and launched at 10 a.m. this morning our entire patriotic Americana collection. And we're almost like halfway through the inventory on everything. So that we brought in for the whole season. Wow, you guys are loving it. So we thought it would be fun, instead of waiting till 5 o'clock to come with a Facebook Live and kind of do all of that, we are going, why are you staring at me? Oh, okay, she's just listening. She's giving me one of these.
You're so pretty.
So I'm just like, what's happening here? Usually that's our code. So we wanted to jump on and highlight everything, share everything with all of you, and we set like the most beautiful table. So as I was saying, we have 5 Tara's must-haves. What's a Tara's must-have? It's an item or a collection, in this case, total collection, that we have curated just for you. That's pretty impractical and purposeful. And then we also have a first look. By the way, we're also doing something new on Facebook today. We are trying something a little different. So, you know, if it goes and crashes and burns, we'll just jump on our iPhones.
If
but
it all
for now,
goes awry.
awry.
Remember this week you couldn't remember Kit and Caboodle?
Kit and Caboodle.
Right.
Absolutely
so
couldn't
if the
remember.
Kit and Caboodle goes Cotton Caboodle.
Okay.
Right.
She's actually got to go. Someone's calling. She's busy. She is busy. All right. Can we take an overhead shot of the table, because I want to talk to you about our Americana collection. Putting our two worlds together, which is going to be our patriotic and it's going to be our star stitch.
Oh.
Look at how beautiful this is. Whether it be the dinnerware, whether it be the bowls, the pedestal bowl, whether it be the app set, or that gorgeous runner that's running down the center of the table. This is for $165. You can buy the entire collection, and when you do that on temp-tations.com, you know, you can use Afterpay, and you break that up into 4 even payments, which is phenomenal. How are we doing, Lace?
We're doing great.
Can I jump in?
Yeah, like 300 people are joining us now.
All
So
right.
many people have said they bought everything, but they'd love to see everything kind of piece by piece.
Yeah, that's what I figured. All right, well, why don't we start with the dinnerware? That might be the easiest, and it might be easier to kind of take a peek right up here. So I'm going to unlayer it. Remember, you're getting 16 hand-painted pieces of stoneware. We're going to start with that dinner plate. That's a beautiful 10.5-inch dinner plate, and it has this gorgeous rim, and it's a coupe shape, which means that it's lower in the center. That star is beautifully raised, but you don't have to worry about it when you're cutting, when you have gravies, anything there. Everything's going to stay put. And then we even did that kind of whip stitching all the way around the edges. When I layer in that salad or dessert plate, 4 salad and dessert plates are also included to go with your 4 10.5-inch dinner plates. Love that this is true star stitch. We have never done star stitch dinnerware before. It's been our #1 request outside of Buffetti. And then we layer in our beautiful 22-ounce bowls. I love that that has that patchwork on the outside. It's got that beautiful blue detail on the inside, and all of those white stars come and pop to life. $54.95, 16 individual hand-painted pieces of stoneware. That's not just another pretty plate.
Can I ask some questions?
I would love to.
All right. Can we talk about stoneware? Is it like a baker? Like, what can we do with the
Yeah,
stoneware?
sure. So it's not just another pretty plate. So these pieces, they go in the dishwasher, which is my fave. They go in the oven up to 500 degrees. So if you're reheating a piece of pizza on your little plate, no problem. That goes in the oven up to 500 degrees. If you want to put them in the fridge or the freezer and keep them warm and cold, you can do that. And then the best part, you can also microwave them as well. So you don't have to baby this dinnerware. It looks like your fine china, but you don't have to treat it like that.
Do we have any more coming in this year?
We do not. So everything you're seeing today, 6 brand new items. We have maybe 1 or 2 coming later in the season, but this is the bulk of what we brought in to celebrate everything Americana.
So this is like our shop the table for Americana.
100%.
All right, awesome.
Can I peek over here at, of course, our beautiful chip and dip? So this is a star, thank you. This is a star within a star. I'm gonna actually put that right over there, where you can see that you have 2 different wells here. You have a larger one here, you have a smaller one here. You can do hot, you can do cold. I love that this is a single piece. If you wanted to put it up, you could even do that, which is fantastic. And here we just did some of our chips. We did some of our salsas and things like that. So all of those great things you're gonna wanna do for your chip and dip as well.
That is just.
And that, Lisa, how much is that?
That is $19.95.
And rumor has it, for under $20, there's only 6 dozen left.
For the year, right?
For the season. That is all that we brought in, which is fantastic. All right. So now that we talked about our chip and dip, that's awesome.
Oh, yeah. Where do you want to go to next?
I want to go to our pedestal bowl.
Oh, so gorgeous, right?
Lisa's fave, our pedestal bowl, which we did some beautiful fruit salad inside here. Lisa's actually holding the empty version of it, so you have that glass center detail, and then you have that beautiful pedestal that goes along with it. I'm going to take the fruit out. Lisa, why don't you drop that one in, and then you can really appreciate the patriotic detail and design that you see there in the center. So star-shaped glass base that Lisa's holding, which is fantastic. And then I just love how this becomes the centerpiece on your table.
Tara, there's something about this. You know, when I pick up those decorating magazines,
Yeah.
and they always talk about a centerpiece in a table, right?
Mhm.
How great it is to have it up off the table, and then you can tuck things underneath it when
Yep,
you need
and
to,
layer
right?
things inside it, right? So if you have some of our decor pieces, that'll
Wow.
be beautiful also.
This is just so pretty. Like even our star lights.
Yeah, our fairy
you
lights.
can layer them all inside of there.
Yes.
This is such a great collection because not only is Americana, but it screams summertime, right?
Absolutely. What's everybody saying?
Oh my gosh, everybody
Ooh,
is
Jen Botts
so
is there.
excited.
Clara's there.
And
Hello,
Karen
everybody.
and Joy are here.
Oh, hey, gang.
I know, everybody's having so much fun,
Mhm.
but they're understanding the urgency, so they're rushing over to pick things
I
up.
was just gonna say, you don't have to stay with us. Trust me, if you want to head over to temptations.com at any time and shop, we just wanted to come here early because we, like I said earlier, we are almost through half of the inventory that we brought in for the entire Americana season. Which I don't know about you, but this whole table makes me want to dive headfirst into summer.
Me too.
I mean, every table wants me to dive headfirst into summer. I love summer, but this just looks awesome.
And you know what I love about this? Like, this looks so pretty inside, but imagine it outside on a picnic table or a deck or a patio table.
Love.
Like, it goes inside, outside. It's awesome.
Yes, it
Seriously.
does.
Rosalia got 3 sets of the dishes and all the rest,
Good.
and then some.
Oh, that's awesome.
Oh,
Look at you all decked out, Lisa. Yes, she is.
we got the spirit for this
I got
one,
my
right?
blue and white. Lisa's got her stars and stripes. I mean, we are red.
Yes.
All right, let's
What's
talk
next?
about our app set.
Yeah.
I love this. Again, so here's what I love about it. I love that the base is going to start with that beautiful tray, which is fantastic. So you have that red background with, of course, that then Americana popped in the center. Look how beautiful that is. If we get an overhead shot, you'll be able to see. And then we layer in our beautiful ramekins
So pretty,
in
Tara.
our star detail, and look at how great that is. And notice how that's going to work back with that pedestal raised bowl. Highly recommend that you get both because they coordinate and look so great together,
Yeah.
which we love. And then look at what we did over here. We put some of our apps and 3 different sauces inside the little stars. And here's the best part about our glass. Dishwasher safe. That's right, I said it. Dishwasher safe.
That's amazing.
Right.
Do you know what I love about glass, especially
Yeah,
this time
tell
of the year? Like, it's a lighter, airier feel.
Totally.
Right? It just feels and it screams summer to
Yes,
me. And
agreed.
I love, like my grandmother, I know we talked about this, our grandmothers used glass bowls
Yes,
and things like that.
yes.
I love layering all these different materials that you did here.
I have to show you that first look while we're here. I'm just going to move this. Have you noticed that running down the center of the table is this beautiful 12 by 72 inch runner, and it's washable. So if you were to spill something on here, ketchup, mustard, you know, living life, no worries, you can wipe that clean. Lisa had a great point too, which is use it as placemats. If maybe you run it down the side of each of the table, and then the kiddos can kind of sit and eat and do their thing.
I love that. You know what I love about that? Like, if you're going to the park for a picnic,
Yes.
let's say you're going to meet a small group of people.
Yep.
Sometimes you don't want to eat on that table. Sometimes it's not
Sometimes,
great.
right,
Okay.
most of the time.
So instead of having to bring a throwaway,
Yes.
right, you literally can take this runner and roll 3 of them out across the table.
And what's the price on the runner?
the $19.95. I got so excited because it's
Gonna
almost
say,
gone.
It is almost gone. I just wanted to give you guys a heads up on that too. We have about 6 dozen left.
That's it.
In the runner, and that is it.
You can
in
literally,
the Star Stitch.
You can literally wash it off with a hose.
It's
outside.
fabulous. It's great.
Fantastic.
All right, last but not least, let's talk about our final new item, which is going to be, I love these. Instead of just doing traditional bowls, I thought it would be so sweet to do layered star bowls that coordinate back. So even if you're picking up that centerpiece bowl, look how everything with the reverse kind of coordinates back. But you have a small, a medium, and a large. When you nest them all, they're perfect in that gorgeous star shape. When you break them out, look what we did here, potato salad, pasta salad,
Yes.
a little slaw salad. We have burgers and hot dogs. Like, this is our dinner party, and this, by the way, this is how we Star Stitch and Patriotic and Americana. This is how we do it.
I love this. I love that these are patterns that all coordinate with each other.
Yes.
Like they're highs and lows, like the white's the color here, like
Yeah.
almost the clear, and then that awesome like Americana red there.
Mhm.
It just
Oh,
pops.
it's beautiful, right?
Yes.
You can really set that beautiful table. And as we said, you can pick up all 6 brand new items for $165. Like, just think about the dinnerware alone. 16 individual hand-painted pieces. You would probably assume if you went out into the marketplace, usually you have to buy a place setting at a time. The fact that ding dong, doorbell rings, you have 16 pieces
Yes.
of our beautiful Star Stitch dinnerware. You would think you would pay $165 for that. But you get the pedestal bowl, and you get the nesting 3 stars, and you get our little adorable app set with the nesting 3 stars, and you get our chip and dip, which is fantastic. So look at this gorgeous overhead shot
Yes.
of our spectacular Americana part. This is what we've been so excited about. You guys, we couldn't wait to share. It's why we made it live at 10 a.m. Obviously, you've responded in very big numbers, which is why we pulled up our whole plan of waiting until 5 o'clock. But you can also check out on temp-tations.com some of the other accessory pieces, whether it be candles,
Yes.
whether it be placemats. There's a lot of different things from decor and tabletop and more.
I love that because there's platters, so literally
Yeah.
there's more than just
Bakeware.
this. These are all the new, but literally you can accessorize your entire kitchen,
Yeah.
your entire table.
What's that? You talk.
Okay.
I want to see what everybody's saying.
Everybody's so excited because
Uh-huh.
they know this is the only order of the year.
Right.
When it's gone, it's gone. And we haven't even looked, but I hope there's some of the chip and dip left. I hope
Right.
there's some of the runners left because it was so limited. But Tara, this is how it comes to life with stoneware, right? You layer
Yes.
in hot dogs and hamburgers,
Yes.
potato salads, and look at
Fabulous.
that.
Love.
Yeah.
Right.
Absolutely.
How is everybody, how are we coming through? Everybody's saying hi. Everybody's loving it. Love, love, love.
Yeah, remember, this is a test for us.
yeah.
Give us a thumbs up if we're doing okay on our test run here.
And mainly that you can hear us okay, you can see everything okay, because it was really important to really show you kind of all of those pieces, bring them to life. This is a must-have. We have 6 brand new items, 5 of them a must-have, which means it is pretty practical and purposeful. It is a beautiful collection, so timely for right now. I think more and more of us can start to have maybe smaller gatherings
Yes.
than maybe just the immediate family. So popping some of these key pieces around there are just awesome. We're getting thumbs up. Everybody's happy.
All right, awesome.
So perfect. So Rosalia said she's having a little bit of an issue,
Okay.
but it could be tall buildings. And Carrie's saying she's in Buffalo and some of the same issues. But
Okay, got
everybody
it.
else seems to be all right.
Yeah.
So hello everybody. Hi Tina. Hi Mary Jo. Hi Ellen. Sandra. We're getting lots of thumbs up.
Thanks, Mary Jo. We didn't break anything, so we're doing okay.
It's true. That is true. Absolutely.
That's exactly right.
Grace says we're putting her in the mood for a picnic.
Great,
Love that.
exactly.
Yep.
You know what I love, and we know this just from our customers and all of you giving our feedback, that many of you pick up 2 to 3 sets of dinnerware, right?
Yes.
Not just one.
Yeah, because you want either service for 8, obviously you pick up 2 sets. If you want service for 12, like Rosalia did, you pick up 3 sets, which I think is fantastic.
Totally. I was talking
And
to
you have
Flo.
room for breakage.
But everybody knows Flo in customer service,
Yes,
right?
yes.
And she was saying the only way she buys dinnerware is in 3 sets.
Yeah.
Service for 12.
Totally.
Yep.
All right.
All righty.
So-
Oh my goodness.
This is it. This is our Americana, Tara's must-have. 6 brand new items, 5 of them must-haves.
Yes.
One's a first look,
Yep.
but really quick. We are super duper limited. Yeah. In the tablecloth that we talked about, or the runner, excuse me, and also what was the other one?
I'm
Liz?
gonna give
the
you
chip and dip.
I'm gonna give you a live update.
Oh, she's gonna give us a
So
live
hold
update.
on, okay?
All right. We
So-
will hold on.
Give me a second.
Okay.
I'm getting there, you guys.
She's
All right.
new to this.
I've never done this
No,
before.
no.
So, no, I'm kidding.
Yeah.
All right, so you can see, we're more than halfway through our
See,
dinnerware.
I do it so differently than you do it. Like, look how I do it. Hold on, please. This is a teaching moment, right? So then it shows you how many are left, right? Is that how that works?
Oh, boy.
Okay. Uh-huh.
All right, ready?
I'm ready.
All right, you go.
We're still super limited in our runner and our pedestal bowl. So last call on both of those. We still have a little bit
It
more
is
of the
last
dinnerware,
call.
but as I mentioned, we are over halfway
Wow.
through all of the inventory that we brought in for the season in our Americana. So happy shopping. We're gonna get to eating because I gotta tell you, potato salad, pasta salad. I got a hamburger over there with
What
my
do you
name
put
on
on your
it.
hot dog?
So I'm weird with hot dog. I do ketchup. My mom says it's against the law, but I do ketchup on my hot dog.
Wait, mustard?
No ketchup.
I know, but do you add mustard to the ketchup?
No, I
Okay.
do ketchup.
How about like onions?
Hey, okay, Gail.
Relish?
Yum.
Added cheese?
Yeah, anything.
Oh,
Hey,
cheese dog.
chili cheese dog.
Oh, okay.
Follow me
Wait,
for
I
more
saw
recipes.
eggs.
All right, you guys, enjoy your afternoon and happy shopping. See ya.